Section 2. Are you planning to take out money from your super because of financial hardships because of COVID-19? Individuals financially affected by COVID-19 can access some of their superannuation early. Individuals will not need to pay tax on amounts released and will not need to include it in their tax return. The application is available through ATO online services in MyGov. Let's look at the case what all citizens, permanent residents (PR) and temporary residents (TR) have to do to get money out of their super. Citizens and permanent residents. Eligible Australian and New Zealand citizens and permanent residents are able to apply to access up to $10,000 of their super until the 30th of June 2020. A further $10,000 from the 1st of July 2020 until the 24th of September 2020. To apply for early release, you must satisfy one or more of the following requirements. You are unemployed. You are eligible to receive a job seeker payment, youth allowance for job seekers, parenting payment, which includes the single and partnered payments, special benefit or farm household allowance. On or after the 1st of January 2020, either you were made redundant, your working hours were reduced by 20% or more, if you were a sole trader, your business was suspended or there was a reduction in your turnover of 20% or more. Temporary residents. Eligible temporary residents are able to apply to access up to $10,000 of their super until the 30th of June 2020. To apply for early release as a temporary resident, you must satisfy one or more of the following requirements. You hold a student visa that you have held for 12 months or more and you're unable to meet immediate living expenses. You're a temporary skilled worker visa holder, your working hours have reduced to 0 and you remain engaged with your employer. You're a temporary resident visa holder, excluding student or skilled worker visas, and you cannot meet immediate living expenses. But here lies the million-dollar question. Should you take out your super under these volatile circumstances? If yes, how much and what all things to keep in mind when taking out your super? Accessing your super early is not without its risks. Super is designed to pay for your life in retirement, so withdrawing money from it now could affect your retirement lifestyle. 6 things to think about if you're considering accessing your super early. Number 1. Other government or financial assistance. You may be eligible for one of the government's other COVID-19 financial assistance measures, such as the JobKeeper payment or coronavirus supplement. Number 2. The potential impact on your retirement. It's been estimated that for a 40-year-old who withdraws $20,000 today, they could lose $63,000 from their superannuation balance by the time they retire. For a 30-year-old who withdraws $20,000 today, they could lose $100,000. For a 20-year-old who withdraws $20,000 today, they could lose $120,000. Those numbers may seem extreme, but they're good estimates. The power of compound interest means that when small amounts of money are invested today, they can grow significantly over time. Number 3. The current state of investment markets. Taking super out now also means cashing out on investments during a stock market crash, when the price of stocks are down a third since last month. It's like selling your house when the property market is near the bottom. Number 4. The potential loss of insurance cover. Another possible consequence of accessing your super early is how the insurance inside your super will be affected. If you withdraw a lump sum from your super and it leads to a 0 account balance, your super account may be closed, which means your insurance will be cancelled from the closure date. Number 5. If you're close to retirement, it's harder to build it back. Number 6. Beware of scammers attempting to grab your cash. Unfortunately, some unscrupulous people are taking advantage of the challenges of COVID-19 and are contacting people with offers to access super early for a fee. Consumer advocates, industry bodies and super funds have warned that these unsolicited approaches are a scam. At best, these scammers are offering expensive and totally unnecessary services. At worst, they're attempting to steal your super. Early access to super is free and can be done through the MyGov portal. Considering these 6 options with your current financial situation, you should be able to make an educated decision on what to do with your super in these volatile times. If you have any questions about today's video, or you would want us to make a video about any related topic, comment in the section below and we'll try our best to make a video on it. For more educational videos like these, click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any important episodes. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.